السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته إن الحمد لله نحمده ونصلي على رسول الكريم أما بعد رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. All praise be to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the creator of the universe, and alhamdulillah, all praise be to him because he has revealed the Qur'an in Arabic. So then peace and blessing of Allah be upon Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and all those who follow him till the day of judgment. This is our new episode where we are inshallah going to learn reading Quran made easy. So this is all focusing on reading of the Quran and it is based on 6 lessons, and inshallah if you spend your time properly and learn it and repeat it again and again, within 6 days or 6 weeks inshallah you will be able to move from qaida to the reading of the Quran. So this is my main purpose and it is in a very easy format, and inshallah hopefully you will follow this. Jazakumullah khair. Let's start with the new lesson and let's go to the main part of the lesson. This is the name of the course. It says reading Quran made easy. So it is easy inshallah, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has promised us that the Quran is made easy who is there to learn it. And this is our first lesson. In this we will be only focusing on the reading of the letters. So no need to be complicated, no need to be confused. In this lesson all you will be learning the names of the letters, and when they are separate how they look, and when they are joined together how they look. Alhamdulillah. So you just have to focus on the letters in this lesson. And this is the index where you will be learning letters and their forms and their vowels, long vowels, short vowels, and then you will learn tanween, shadda and sukoon inshallah. This is our first part of the lesson and first page. Here you are going to learn the letters, their names, and the next page will be showing you the explanation of like all these brackets that you have. These letters will be explained how they are read actually. So let's start with this. You can repeat after me because I will be giving the pause for every letter. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Dhal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dad, Ta, Dha, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Waw, Ha, Ya. Tha. How to read Tha? This is Tha, and when you want to read Tha, how you will be reading Tha? Number 1, it says the tip of the tongue should come out of the mouth between the teeth. Then Sa sound should be pronounced Tha. Then you go for Ha. This is Ha. Ha should be pronounced from inner part of the throat, pressing the end of the tongue. Ha, ha. Then we go to the third letter, which is Kha. This is Kha. And Kha is, the Kha should be pronounced from inner part of the throat, pressing the end of the tongue. Kha, Kha. Then we go to Dhal. This is Dhal. And Dhal is this one, this letter. This letter is Dhal. Dhal should be pronounced as the tip of the tongue should come out of the mouth between the teeth. Then the sound should be pronounced Dhal. Then Ra. Ra is this. This is Ra. And see, I have mentioned here it is hard, which means it says Ra. In Ra, sound should be pronounced hard. Ra sound, R sound should be pronounced hard. Now we go to Sad. This is Sad. In Sad, Sa sound should be hard, and also it should be pronounced as if the mouth is filled with something. Sad. Then we go to Dad. This is Dad. This is Dad. In Dad, Da sound should be hard, and it also should be pronounced as if the mouth is filled with something. Then we go to Ta. This is Ta. This is Ta. In Ta, Ta sound should be hard, and also it should be pronounced as if the mouth is filled. Ta. Then we learn Dha. This is Dha. Dha. In Dha, the Dha sound should be hard, and also it should be pronounced as if the mouth is filled with something. Dha should be pronounced as the tip of the tongue should come out, come out of the mouth between the teeth. Dha. Then Dha sound should be pronounced. Now we go to Ain. This is Ain. This is Ain. The Ain should be pronounced from inner part of the throat, pressing the end of the tongue. Ah. The Ah sound should come out similar to the sound when a dentist or a doctor presses the end of the tongue with small wooden stick while checking the throat infection. Ah, ah, like that. Now here is the real letters in the real form. So that was the explanation of the pronunciation. So before you come to this, please master that, and then inshallah you can start with this. So let's read this page. You are reading the letters here. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Dhal, Ra, Za, Sin, Sheen, Sad, Dad, Ta, Dha, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Waw, Ha, Ya. Here you are testing yourself. So when you have mastered the first few pages, you come to this page. In this page is a self-test. You can test yourself, or if somebody is learning with you, you can test that person as well. So this is the mixture of all the letters. Alif is here and Ya is here. Sheen is here and Kha is at the end. So this is how it's a test where you will know that you have really memorized the names of the letters. Let's start. Sheen, Za, Dhal, Ta, Alif, Noon, Qaf, Lam, Dad, Ghain, Tha, Ya, Ha, Ba, Ha, Sin, Ra, Jim, Dal, Waw, Fa, Dha, Ain, Ta, Mim, Kaf, Kaf, Sad, Kha. Are in a joint form. Here you will see that these letters are all in joint form. And why this part is important for you to know, because when you read the Qur'an, when you read Arabic, you won't find the letters separately. You will find them in this kind of joint form. Like the ba will have the connection, when the ba is connected with the words, the beginning of the ba will be like this, then the middle will be like this, and the end will be like this. So this is, again, it's a very important part which you have to understand, that you have to memorize this, and without this you can't learn this, the reading of you won't be able to identify the proper words. So this is very, very important, that now this one, before you move to the lesson 2, you should memorize this. So let's read quickly, because already you have learned this. Ba, ba, ba. Ta, ta, ta. Tha, tha, tha. Jim, jim, jim. Ha, ha, ha. Kha, kha, kha. Sin, sin, sin. Sheen, sheen, sheen. Sad, sad, sad. Dad, dad, dad. Ta, ta, ta. Dha, dha, dha. Ain, ain, ain. Ghain, ghain, ghain. Fa, fa, fa. Qaf, qaf, qaf. Kaf, kaf, kaf. Lam, lam, lam. Mim, mim, mim. Noon, noon, noon. Ha, ha, ha. Ya, ya, ya. And these are the 6 letters out of 28 letters. They will not be connected with the letters after them. Here, these 22 letters, they will be mixed. They can be connected before and after. But these 6 letters, Alif, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Waw, they will not be connected with the letters after them. But they can connect from the letter that comes before them. Alif, Alif, Dal, Dal, Zal, Zal, Ra, Ra, Za, Za, Waw, Waw. With this, we have come to the end of this lesson. Inshallah, hopefully you have memorized this. Now, before going to the lesson 2, I want you to master this. Master this in a way that any letter that you put your finger on it, you should know that this is the name of the letter. Jazakumullah khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.